veganism can get a little unhealthy. Yeah, I said it. Whew. Back up off me. Give me 6 feet and just hear me out. All right, your vegan friend is just trying to put you on game. Hey, it's your girl, your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the differences between certain dietary lifestyles. Specifically, the difference between vegan and vegetarian. Before we get started, if you're already feeling the vibes here, my energy and all this plant-based love is just jumping off the screen right at you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And of course, don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the amazing content that I upload for you on a weekly basis. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the question for yourself. To V or not to V? If this is something that you're interested in, stay tuned. I have been exploring these dietary lifestyles longer than I have been on the traditional or standard American diet. Yeah, the irony of the acronym. Wow. In 1995, as a college athlete, I was always interested in how I could make my body be quicker, faster, stronger, better. And I knew, even without studying at this point, that what I put in my body definitely had something to do with it. So I remember the last day that I put bacon on my plate for breakfast. First of all, the freshman 15 is real, okay? Even as a college athlete, I remember going into the cafeteria and for breakfast every day, not having to choose between biscuits and gravy, waffles, eggs, grits, oatmeal, bacon, sausage, hash browns. Every single morning, this was made available. And I remember the day that I said, I've got to stop eating this bacon. This is not doing my body or my dreams as a college athlete any good. And I stopped. And it was very, very shortly thereafter that I went, I stopped eating bacon and I didn't die. And I feel better. What if I don't eat any red meat? So I cut it out. Stopped eating red meat. And that lasted for a couple of years. No, I didn't go back. I then decided that, okay, do I have to eat poultry? Yeah, chicken wings are amazing, especially when they have hot sauce and lemon pepper on them. Let's just see what happens. So I gave it up. As a girl with so much heritage coming from Louisiana cuisine, giving up seafood seemed a bit far-fetched. So I then spent a decade as a pescatarian. As long as I could eat the animals of the sea, everything will be fine. And now, fast forward to 2013, when I made the decision to cut all of the crap out and live a vegan lifestyle. So yeah, I'd say I have the authority to talk to you about this as a subject matter, and I really hope that by the time we leave here today, you can answer the question for yourself. First up, we have the vegan dietary lifestyle. This has been me for, as of November 3rd, 2021, 8.5 years. So I'll be saying me and I during this segment. Vegan means I do not take in the flesh of any animal, and I do not eat anything that animal produces. So I do not eat the cow, and I do not drink her baby's milk. I do not eat the chicken, and I do not eat her eggs that she produces. Come here. Since you want to interrupt mommy's video, come here. No, don't you be shy now. All that barking you just did. Come here. Say hello to the people. See, mommy's just talking to her friends. We're talking about dietary lifestyles. You barking in the background, okay? That's all we're doing. He just does not, he won't let mommy be great and sit back here and talk to y'all, okay? Won't let me talk to my friends because he wants to be in the sunroom sunbathing. Vitamin D snob, just like his mama. Look at him. Now you're about to go to sleep. Can I continue? Sir? Sir Dolce, can I continue? I think that's a yes. I do not eat the chicken or the eggs that she creates. I do not eat the seafood or the oils or pastes that are made from them for cooking and flavor purposes. So what do I eat? Trust me, that question has never gotten old. I eat everything else. All the fruits, all the vegetables, all the nuts, the seeds, the grains, the beans, the legumes, all the other things I get to eat. And I will never grow tired, I will never grow bored, because there is an unending supply of these things for me to eat and for me to be sure that my body is a safe place to live. Okay, as if being vegan was not enough, there are even levels of veganism. You have your raw vegans that only eat raw vegetables, fruit, nuts, seeds. They do not cook anything. This is such a beautiful lifestyle to look at. I can look at it, it's not my thing. Cause your girl like hot food, you know? I like my food to be hot. Unless it's a smoothie or a juice, but you get what I'm saying. Then you have the traditional vegan, which is mostly me. As long as it does not contain any animal or animal byproduct, it's game. And then you have your plant-based vegans, eating mostly plants, okay? Veganism can get a little unhealthy. Yeah, I said it. Whew. Back up off me. Give me 6 feet and just hear me out. All right, your vegan friend is just trying to put you on game. All right, so there's tons of vegan foods, especially now, that have been created that are in boxes. All right, you got your Kraft mac and cheese, you got your Daya vegan mac and cheese. Okay,
it is delicious, by the way. I'm gonna have to show you all some more about that.
But there are a lot of processed vegan foods now, which makes me so happy for those of you that are looking to transition, because it's nowhere near as hard as it was 8.5 years ago when I decided to do it. It's pretty easy for you to make this transition. But a lot of it has become processed. We got the vegan hot dogs, the burgers, the pizza, the sausages, the eggs, the macaroni and cheese, the wings. Seriously, so easy to be vegan. Plant-based veganism, we just want you to leave us in the garden, okay? We want to saute and roast and dehydrate those fresh vegetables and fruits, okay? We want to have those nuts and seeds. That is the primary source of our lifestyle. The beans, the legumes, the grains. That is that plant-based lifestyle. But yeah, a sister will bust open a bag of peanut butter Oreos on you real fast, so don't get it twisted. Our next dietary lifestyle we're going to look at is vegetarian. Vegetarian simply means that they are not going to eat the flesh of any animal, whether that be red meat, which includes beef, lamb, pigs, pork. That's all considered red meat. They will not eat poultry, which is chickens, or seafood. However, they will eat the byproduct of those three groups. So they won't eat the cow flesh, but they will drink the cow milk. They won't eat the poultry or chicken, but they will eat the eggs. Got it? So that person would have vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains, seeds, legumes, and eggs and cheese. That is vegetarianism. Next up is our friend, the pescatarian. Pescatarians love vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, beans, legumes, and grains, but they're not giving up their seafood. This was me. This was me for 10 years. Okay? Step away from the crawfish bowl and everyone will leave here alive. Pescatarians only eat animals of the sea, along with vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains, beans, and legumes. You got it. Finally, let's talk about the flexitarian. If you watched our video a couple of uploads back when we went to the Blue Dog Bistro, my wonderful, amazing husband tried to put you on game of what a flexitarian was all about. Take a look.
So, I'm kind of like a flexitarian, right? I eat whatever I want to eat when I eat it, but I choose to eat green 90% of the time, and the other 10% I'll take some fish in or something, right?
So there you have it. A flexitarian is a little more flexible in their dietary choices. They eat all the fruits and vegetables, nuts, grains, seeds, and occasionally they will eat seafood or poultry. Notice in the video when my husband talked about his flexitarianism, he let you know that 90% of his dietary lifestyle is spent in the plant-based vegan lifestyle. And then 10% he will have seafood, and sometimes, even less seldomly, he will have traditional eggs. So we're talking about 90%. That means you are mostly doing still a plant-based lifestyle. So I hope that this information has been helpful to you and that you're now able to make an informed decision on how you will answer the question, to V or not to V. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be sure that you have paid your fare.
You gotta pay your fare.
If you've enjoyed this content, be sure that you like this video. Comment down below, even if it's a heart, to let me know how much you love it. Be sure to share this information. Your friends and family know about your vegan friend. I'm still taking applications. I can be their friend too. Y'all have an amazing day. I love you, for real and for free. Bye. Okay, there's a lot of stuff out there that's even accidentally vegan. Okay? Oreos, accidentally vegan. Check out the bacon bits the next time you're in the store. I'm talking about the brand Bacon Bits, BAC' bits, or it may be BACON bits, but take a look at the back. If it says contains textured vegetable protein, that's not even bacon. They made it accidentally vegan. It's hilarious.